Hello everyone, let's just start the reading training with me today. As I told you, black has to capture this white group, and third move is amazing move. Have you found out third move? If you can find the third move, I can say you improved a lot. And actually, it's not common vital point, and just I wanted to make it fun, so I just made some difficult question. First feeling is here. I believe you know that, right? Yeah, white can't play here, black can just save here. So when white answer here, after that, finding third step was quite difficult. What was your feeling? Actually, the original question was like this. Yeah, before I fixed it by myself. Actually, original question is like that. Yeah. Of course, what I made was also some question. If this was the question, then black can just do that. Then when white cut, then black can even Atari. Yeah, it's possible. It's working, but I put these stones first, and even I just put some more stone. The reason why if I do that it doesn't work, then black can't do that, because after white capture this one stone, then black need to connect, then white can capture here. So what was your feeling? Black shouldn't touch anything, and black has to just connect from outside here. This is the good move. So if white just answer, then black can honey. White block, then black can cut here. White plays a Kosumi, then black has to play here. Connect and cut. And here, the double Atari. Yeah. And if white just connect, then black can push. So it works for everything. Yeah. Why I fixed some question at the last time is like if there is no stone, and white might have some chance to go out here, and then black has to capture. And then white might just ignore and keep trying to use center here. And if black just answer, then white can return to play. Even this is nothing. The same. Maybe it wasn't really necessary. It's my misreading. Yeah. Anyway, I just fixed the question at the last time. Yeah, just I was worried about something, whether white can make something. Then maybe that was I might worry too much. However, if you can find out this number 3, then it will work. Yeah. So 3 was the main point. Okay, then let's just start from today's questions. Now, sorry, this is your homework. My mistake. Yeah, this one is the first question that we have to study. Black has to capture this white group, and I didn't make really difficult question. Just you can read for 2 ways. Yeah. I just go back to more basic. Yeah, basic life and death can make you to be more stronger. Yeah. If black just try to push and try to think about to capture from such kind of a method, white can't connect anywhere, but white can just keep around from outside, so it doesn't work. So we get to make some reading trouble for such kind of a situation. So now that you have to read is attached here and make him to capture, and then you can throw in here. White can't capture this one stone, it's gonna be snap back. So white has only one method to capture this one stone, and then you can Atari. And if white just connect, then you can capture like this. If you are thinking to capture more stone and try to be greedy, something like this, somehow it can be more happy. Yeah. However, you can capture. But white may not answer. White can just ignore. When you get in here, this time it doesn't work anything. And if you are just capturing this one stone, then white can make one eye. So became white liberty is faster. White got one eye already. Yeah. So it wasn't really complicated. So you can just try to make your reading more clear and detailed and faster. So maybe today I can talk to you about the level of the life and death. Somebody is thinking when they see someone who is much stronger than them, just like somebody was studying in Korea, and they saw that even the very young kids, they are studying very difficult life and death question. But for example, when they see the kids, if they play the game, actually some student is already stronger than kids. because their knowledge of the big place and many things is already better if they are adult. But the life ended skill, the kids might is stronger because they have been studying for few years. And if somebody studied the Baduk as a hobby, they may not have enough chance to have a training of the life and death and reading training. So they just want to follow up what kids are doing. But the question that you are doing, it doesn't have to be really difficult to you. What I mean is like when you are solving the one question, always you are spending more than 10 minutes or 20 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes. That is not good idea. You have to do it just like one question you can solve in 5 minutes. That's good. Yeah. Some questions you can solve it in 10 seconds or 1 minute. It's also good. You need to do little bit difficult and same level as your level and even easier. Then the main point is that repeat is the most important. Repeat. Even though you can find out in few seconds, then you have to keep practice how your reading is keep working. You have to check the process. Yeah, progress. That's most important. So the level shouldn't be too high. I want to follow up that kid because I can beat that kid. It doesn't mean that's the right method because they had already progressed in the past. They are past for few years. So if you are doing same progress, actually you can do that. Yeah. So it doesn't mean you must solve a much harder question than that you are doing. Just easy question, difficult question, and very easy question, and everything is necessary. It's not like the school test. Just I'm always telling you, if you can solve in 1 minute, and if you keep doing more, then it will be 50 seconds, 45 seconds, 30 seconds, and one day you can even think about in 1 second. Yeah. You may not trust that, but that's true. Yeah, strong player usually that I'm giving you such kind of question, they don't have to read because they already have a habit. Yeah. So just I'm telling you the progress. Yeah. Okay, this is that I can tell you today. Now the black has to capture this white group, and we may have a first feeling. That's here. And when I make the question, sometimes I just need to find out the question book and even correct answer book. Yeah, so I found out in the correct answer book there is written this move, and then white is just answer, then black stretch, and white capture, black Atari, and then try to put here. Then if white Atari, the black can keep attack. It will work, but even sometimes the book. In the correct book, there is a wrong answer. Yeah, that's interesting. If you can find that kind of a thing as well by yourself, then it will be perfect to study. When you answer here, why it doesn't work is white can just connect. And even though you block here, white can attack it from outside, and then eventually I can play here. So it's not working anything. Yeah, it's interesting, right? Yeah, the writer is also human, so we get to make mistake as well. Just if you can find that they are mistake, then you will be more stronger. So now this is not the right method, and even though this was your first feeling, it's impossible. If white answer wrongly, of course it will work. Yeah. So now, what about push here? Even the white block here, after this, white can just keep attack from outside, so it's nothing. So now, black's best answer is Hane here, and make him to answer, and then you can Atari. However, when he answer, I can just Atari. I need to capture these 3 stones. This is my main group. Yeah, I mean my opponent main group. So if white just capture, I can capture here. If white connect, then however I can capture here. So of course white can think about to play here. Even now, not done yet. It isn't finished yet. Still, you need to find out the best answer. Black has to Hane. Hane is the main point how we are doing. Make him to block and then press here. When he capture, I can capture these 3 stones. Yeah. And when he wants to surround here, I can just connect. So it doesn't work. White can use some trap. Yeah. With the Kosumi. If you just connect here, then it's not working anything. So black's the best answer. It's just pressing, go back to press these 3 stones. this is right answer, then you can capture these 3 stones. It wasn't really easy, right? Actually, it's not that easy. Because when you are just according to follow the first feeling, always we get to think about such kind of vital point. As I always telling you, sometimes it might work. Yeah, but what we are going to do is you have to compare perfectly how difference between this and this by practice. Yeah. Okay, so next one is the life and death questions, and this is not really difficult. And black already has 1 eye, so however we need to make 1 more eye with capturing these 2 stones. At the first, I want to capture these 2 stones, and the white is gonna play here. And somehow, if you do something, white can save perfectly, and we can't get any eye. So second, and you have to think about some idea, and you shouldn't capture first. And you need to please think about it first before I show you the correct answer. You need to put here. Yeah. You know, white can't play like same as just now. This time we can just capture 4 stones. So white must capture black's 1 stone, and then black can capture. You know, this time white has no timing to play the throw in here. Black can just capture 3 stones. So when white capture this 1 stone, then you can save. Yeah, it's simple. This wasn't really difficult. Actually, today's difficult question was this one. Such kind of a thing is like because let me tell you about the bad situation of the training of the reading. If you are doing this question with your iPad or something, the application with your mobile phone, and you might put here. And then normally computer will say X directly. Maybe computer might just say X or just even play here. And if you just keep trying to press, you will press like me, and you will get correct answer. Just like, oh, it doesn't work. Okay, I understand. And then you will just do it again. And then you will play here. And without reading, and just you will use the habit, and the computer will answer. And even after that, you will just press anywhere, and eventually you can find out the correct answer with the application. But if you are studying that way, I can't say you get something for improvement of your reading. Yeah. So why I'm always telling you, because the application and the many things like those are made for enjoying. Yeah. Somehow we are making the correct answer for the difficult question, and you will feel you get something. Yeah, but actually it's not. Yeah. I'm quite sure. Yeah, you have to believe me. Yeah. So now just like the variation that I show you, you have to read one by one slowly, and even if you're feeling a little bit annoying to do that, then you had some improvement, little bit. Yeah. But then now if you keep repeating, then you will keep go up. For application, if you just keep press that, actually it's not, maybe your feeling might be a little bit better. Feeling, yeah. Of course, it's better than doing nothing, but it's big difference between just you are solving with your brain and doing with your application. Yeah. I repeat this sentence for many times because it's really difficult, really important for the improvement. It's very, very important. You might ask me then whether I'm using AI or not. When I have a review and when I want to fix my bad move, of course I'm checking the variation with the AI, then I can learn many things. That's the understanding part, just like the direction or the reading direction, the angle, many things I can learn. But about such kind of life and death reading and many things, still you can't learn from AI. Because this progress is not like, anyway, it's totally different. Yeah. Maybe one day, I guess maybe AI might teach you how you can solve the life and death question. That can be possible. But still, when professional player and the top player, what they are getting from AI is not the reading part. Just like the thinking angle is totally different area. Yeah. So right now, still, I believe that how you are going to solve the best way is just doing with your brain and just try to check 1, 2, 3, 4 and return and 1, 2, 3, 4 and it doesn't work and you read again and only that way. Yeah. All right, yeah. And if you feel too difficult, then you can even solve the easy one. I'm always telling you, you need to solve the easy question and medium question. Difficult question has to mix up. It doesn't mean you must solve the difficult question always. And even I recommend you to solve the many question that you can solve in few seconds. That's also helpful. Yeah, many things just need to repeat. Yeah. Okay, this is today's question, everybody. Today also I talked to you so much, and please enjoy to capture this white group. And one of the hint, and you should make the call. Thank you very much, everybody. Please like and subscribe. See you guys. Bye bye.